Hello friends, welcome to my channel Know More. Today's topic is about domestic animals. Humans have lived with animals from centuries. The animals that we can tame to live with us peacefully are called domestic animals. They are largely used for economic purposes, with some also for recreational purposes. There are lots of domestic animals. Many people keep domestic animals according to their choice. Cows, buffaloes, goats, sheep, horse, etc. are some domestic animals. All domestic animals have their own specific needs and usefulness. Meat and dairy products are provided by domesticated animals like goats, sheep, chickens, and cows. Other animals like bullocks help the farmers in farming, etc. We should treat all domestic animals with kindness. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel to get more latest videos. Thanks for watching.